If you're traveling with kids or you're just a big kid at heart and looking for a full day of splashy fun, Pearl Bay might be just a place for you. Pearl Bay Water Park is located in Bandaragama, about 1.5 hours drive from us in Hikkaduwa. From their website, you can see that Pearl Bay has 5 zones. The Speed Bay, which is a go-karting track, Target Bay, air rifle shooting range, Arrow Bay, archery range, Yum Bay, which is the cafe and restaurant, and then Splash Bay, which is a European standard water park with 16 slides and multiple pools. So we are now in a day trip in Pearl Bay, and Pearl Bay is 4 different areas, but we are in the Splash Bay, which is a lot of water slides. There are some for 2 different height limits, above 120 centimeters and below. So these big slides, they are for those above 120 centimeters. This really nice area for smaller kids below 120 centimeters. And there's also one area here with really fun slides where you use that plastic rings, 2 and 2 together. It's really fun. That's also a limit for those above 120 centimeters. You need to see this one. This one also looks crazy fun. Oh my, I see Anudi and... The park operates daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., offering a full day of fun for families, kids, and adventure seekers alike. Rent this private cabana where we have safe walks and fridge also. You can change and can relax. Someone is getting a little bit tired from all of this. This was my first visit and I was positively surprised. It was modern, clean, well organized and surprisingly affordable. We spent a whole day sliding, splashing, floating and laughing a lot. So if you're craving some water fun during your Sri Lanka trip, check it out. Pearl Bay might just make a perfect day out. I will be back with more wildlife, nature and great authentic Sri Lanka travel experiences in the next video. Please subscribe for more travel tips. Bye.